bigger than me.
Tell them how she got what your name was.
Bruce Wayne. She knew I was Batman.
Morning.
Morning.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
We're in Peru. Look how beautiful it is.
It's very foggy.
It's very
in
foggy.
Lima.
Yeah. We got here yesterday. The plane was like 6 hours. It was fine, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was actually one of the company's planes.
Yeah, it was. It was nice. And then we went to go in the supermarket last night. We had to have 2 masks on the whole plane.
Which we knew about, so that
it was
bad.
fine.
But then, yeah, the supermarkets and they check your COVID pass and everything. They're proper on it.
You went earlier and you only had 1 mask, and they wouldn't let you
me in.
So 2 masks and COVID pass to show. So we're doing, we're trying to do a walking tour, but this is where we're supposed to be meeting, and there's no one here. There's another couple that are wandering around, but we don't know. So yeah, that's it. Don't tell them about the coffee explosion. So I just went down to reception because we've ordered some food to ask them to ring us because we couldn't put a number in, and I came up. Wait.
I don't know if I'm more upset that everything smells of coffee or that was my favourite Starbucks coffee.
It's the good Starbucks
There's some left in the bottom.
A dribble.
There's like 1 coffee. I've got my scuba diving mask.
Oh, it's like it's been found at the bottom of the sea.
So all of my clothes need washing.
How was it popped?
It was.
Was it an open one?
Off. Yeah.
Oh.
We survived the last fight.
That was a terrible idea.
Oh yeah. When we arrived, I opened my bag. And I was like, "Oh, that smells nice." And then I was like, "Ah, what is this?" And I'd bought some nice like Starbucks coffee. Where was it? In Brazil. Yeah. So I've been like carrying it in my bag everywhere, and everywhere, like my scuba mask covered, my snorkel, I'll just be breathing in coffee for ages, my clothes, my toothbrush. Right. So I've literally had to wash everything in my bag.
Even your bag?
Dry, even my bag.
So we had to buy new coffee.
Oh, that's the most devastating part. There was like one coffee each left in the bottom of this tub.
A little dribble. So, yeah. We'll go and see if we can find the man doing the walking tour.
Yeah.
We found the man.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. And open my heart like you're fearless.
Hello. So, we're in the main square now. We've ditched the tour.
Yeah.
Because, or maybe we're not allowed in here. Is she whistling at us?
Who?
No, it's okay. Because we think it got to that bit where they take you to all their friends' places. Oh, we're not allowed in this bit, hold on. Please hold, the barriers aren't very clear, are they?
Riot police down
anyway,
to get out the square.
I knew I heard a whistle. Oh, he's got a big gun as well, Jesus Christ. Okay. So anyway, we ditched the tour because we think it was that bit where they take you to their friend's shops.
It was alright. We literally walked through a restaurant at one point where everyone else was eating. But it was alright. I wouldn't do it again.
No, because I like to stop longer at places, and after he's finished talking, he's just like, okay, let's go.
It is good for the history, so it a bit like makes it a bit more. He was talking more about architecture and stuff though, which don't really bother me.
Yeah. So yeah, so we'll have a bit of a wander around the bits we're allowed in this square, I think.
Yeah. And avoid the big guns.
Leave me breathless, breathless.
What are we having?
What is it? Fudge donut of some sort.
Is there any fudge in there? Oh. Mine might just be plain.
Watch your fingers.
Oh, hot. Oh, it's a little hot in there. I don't know. I think I'm a bit apple. We've done exploring. We're tired.
What did we do?
We've had a massive coffee. We went in those two churches, the St. Francis.
Yeah,
San
the
Francisco
catacombs.
one.
That's really
The
cool.
catacombs, yeah.
It's like wood, cedar wood everywhere in it, which is unusual.
On the ceiling, really
And
cool.
it's different to any like church I've seen.
Yeah. And we
then-
weren't allowed to video in there, so there's none of that.
And then the main cathedral, that's really cool as well. That's like more of a classic cathedral.
The ceiling is really cool in there as well, all blue and stuff, and loads of stained glass. So now we're just going to try and get the bus. When we got off the bus with the tour at the beginning, the man was like, okay, so this is how you get a card for getting on the bus. It's much better if you use coins, after we'd all given him his coins, because he said he preferred coins. So we've got some coins, it's alright anyway, so...
Well, I've got enough for me.
What about me?
It's a long walk.
I would get anywhere with this hair, look at it. You said you would tell me when it's a mess. What's this? What's it?
Time for beers.
Come on then, let's get on the bus. Morning. Bev told me this morning not to say, not to guess what day it is, but we already know it's Saturday because we've been singing. What have we been singing?
Saturday.
Saturday, Saturday.
What's that on?
Saturday. It's Elton John, I think.
Oh.
Anyway,
In my life.
it's in your head now as well. So behind us is the coast. Loads of people surfing in wetsuits because
Yeah, I think the water's pretty cold.
looks freezing. Them birds sound nice. But we're at, what's it called?
The Love Park. Park the Amore.
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 There's just a big statue of
The tiles are cool.
people getting it on. Yeah, the tiles are really cool and there's loads of padlocks on this thing here, so...
I thought there was going to be more though, but from Barranco you can basically walk along the coast through a load of parks.
Yeah, it's nice.
Quite nice. And there's a little shopping centre bit that we're going to go to and get some coffee.
Obviously coffee. Saturday?
Want to do a twirl?
Yeah.
Actually, I've got it in there. Do you
Go
want
on.
one?
Yeah.
That for the Instagram.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still could fill the void.
Saturday. Say again?
We've lost our mind. Been in the apartment too long.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
Who we found? Paddington. We've only been here a day, so it didn't take that long.
To love. What do we do to love?